You know that sinking feeling when you realize building a third-person shooter from scratch means weeks of plumbing? Invector is the rescue package. It gives you a rock-solid foundation with locomotion, combat, and inventory wired up and working right out of the box. The standout is its component-based system. You can drop in a melee combo, swap to a ranged weapon, or add a grappling hook by dragging and dropping. No scripting required. It integrates beautifully with Cinemachine and popular AI assets, so your protagonist looks and reacts exactly how you want. Setup is genuinely fast. On day one, you can have a character running, shooting, and interacting with the world. The full source code is included, meaning you can customize anything later. It's the kind of head start that turns a weekend project into a polished prototype. With over 280 ratings and a solid 4.5-star average, the community agrees this is one of the most reliable third-person templates on the store. People rave about how much time it shaves off early development. Be warned, Invector comes with some technical baggage. The documentation feels outdated, and it doesn't natively support Unity's new input system. You'll need to patch that in yourself. It also forces specific project settings, so importing into an existing project can cause friction. Normally $90, today it's $45. That works out to just 15 cents per line of code. You don't have to write. A steal if you are serious about action games. Grab it while the discount is live. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Ever struggled to get a skybox that actually feels dynamic? Clouds moving, sun shifting, rain rolling in? Enviro 3 solves all that in one clean package. It gives your scenes living, breathing weather that responds in real time. The big win is its fully procedural cloud system. You get volumetric clouds that cast shadows, change density, and look gorgeous without pre-baked textures. And it plays nicely with the built-in rendering pipeline as well as URP and HDRP. No migration headaches. Setup is ridiculously simple. Drop the prefab into your scene, pick a preset, sunny, overcast, stormy, and it just works. Wind, rain, snow, even lightning are all there. It's the kind of asset that makes your environment feel alive with almost zero effort. Nearly 4.7 stars from over 270 ratings. Users consistently praise how much polish it adds for the price. Many say it's the best skyweather asset on the store, bar none. Mobile performance can be a bit heavy if you push the cloud quality too high. The workaround is simple. Use the mobile-friendly preset, which still looks great but cuts the overhead significantly. Priced at $40, half off its usual $80. That is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket, yet it will transform every scene in your game. Treat your world to some real atmosphere today. You have built a solid game, but something feels flat? It is probably missing screen shake, hit reactions, and camera bumps. Feel is the ultimate toolkit for adding that juicy feedback with minimal fuss. Its killer feature is the modular preset system. You can shake the camera on a punch, pulse the screen on a collect, and vibrate the controller on a hit, all from one inspector. No coding needed, just tweak sliders until it feels right. It works with any game type, platformer, shooter, puzzle, and integrates seamlessly with most controller templates. Setup takes minutes. Drag the manager into your scene, call a single method, and you get instant polish that players notice. An almost perfect 5-star average from over 230 reviews. People love how it turns a stiff game into something that feels alive. Many say it is the first thing they add to every new project. It can be easy to go overboard and make everything shake. The fix: use the intensity curve presets and test with someone who has not played your game. That way you keep the impact without the motion sickness. Marked down from $50 to $25. For a tool that adds immediate polish to every interaction, that is a no-brainer. Think of it as 25 cents per hour of juiciness you will add across your whole project. Want to put your player on a horse without animating it frame by frame? Horse Animset Pro gives you a full riding system. Idle, walk, trot, gallop, and turn animations, all blended and ready to plug in. First, the animations are top quality. Over 1,000 frames of motion captured movement. The horse responds to terrain and speed changes naturally. Plus, it includes IK for the rider's legs, so they stay on the saddle realistically. Setup is surprisingly straightforward. Import the package, drop the horse prefab, assign your character, and within an hour, you have a rideable horse in the scene. It works with any standard humanoid controller, so no rewiring needed. With a 4.7-star rating from over 225 reviews, users call it a must-have for any open world or fantasy project. The animation quality alone gets high marks. The included scripting relies on the legacy animation system, not the newer animator controller. The workaround: use the provided wrapper scripts or reparent the animations into an animator. It takes an afternoon. Listed at $75, today for $37.50. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom horse rig. If your game has mounts, this asset pays for itself on the first scene. Building an MMORPG from scratch is a massive undertaking. Networking, databases, combat, quests, all together. uMMORPG Remastered gives you a complete, playable foundation so you can skip the grunt work and start designing your world. It ships with everything: player movement, NPCs, combat, inventory, guilds, chat, and a full skill system. The networking uses Mirror, a well-supported high-level library, making it a reliable backbone for real-time multiplayer. Customization is surprisingly accessible. All game logic is written in C# and fully commented, so you can tweak stats, add new items, or change combat formulas without fighting the framework. A single developer can have a multiplayer prototype running in a weekend. Over 220 reviews and a solid 4.4 average. The community highlights how much it accelerates multiplayer development, with many praising the documentation and example scenes. The asset is built around a specific game architecture, so deviating too far from its patterns can be tricky. Best approach: stick to the structure for core systems and only customize the surface logic that keeps updates manageable. Half off, from $80 to $40. If one client project uses this engine, you have paid it off 100 times over. For any team serious about multiplayer RPGs, this is the cheapest starter kit you will find. Getting character movement to feel right, acceleration, slopes, stairs, crouching, is notoriously fiddly. Easy Character Movement 2 hands you a polished, physics-based controller that handles all the edge cases so you don't have to. Its huge selling point is the automatic slope and stair handling. Characters walk up stairs smoothly, slide down steep slopes, and even react to moving platforms. And it supports both first-person and third-person views out of the box. Configuration is a breeze. You get a clean inspector with sliders for speed, acceleration, rotation, and air control. No need to touch the underlying rigid body unless you want advanced physics interactions. It just works cleanly. A nearly perfect 4.8-star average from over 220 reviews. Developers consistently say it is the most reliable character controller on the store, especially for projects that need precise platforming or movement mechanics. It relies on the classic rigid body approach, so if you need full character controller-based movement for specific features like wall running, you may need to extend it. The source is included though, so modifications are doable. Normally $80, today for $40. That is 30 cents per game template. Considering how much time you save on collision edge cases, it is a massive time saver ROI. Snag it and never fight with a character controller again. Building VR interactions from scratch, grabbing, throwing, teleporting, using UI, is a nightmare of controller inputs and physics tweaks. The VR interaction framework gives you all of that out of the box, pre-tested and polished. Its highlight is the intuitive grabbing system. Objects can be picked up, thrown, or used with realistic physics. It also includes teleportation movement, smooth locomotion, and hand poses, everything you need to make a compelling VR experience without reinventing the wheel. Setup is plug and play. Import the package, configure your controllers, and you're interacting with virtual objects within minutes. It works with all major VR platforms, Steam VR, Oculus, OpenXR, so your project scales across devices. A perfect 5-star average from over 220 reviews. Users highlight how it turns a month of VR development into a weekend. The responsiveness of the developer also gets frequent shoutouts. Performance on standalone headsets like Quest can be a concern if you use too many physics-enabled objects. Optimize by using kinematic objects where possible and keeping the number of grabbable items in a scene reasonable. Priced at $35, half of its usual $70. For a tool that saves you weeks of VR coding, that is an emotional no-brainer. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Your first VR app is waiting. Every game needs visual flair, explosions, magic spells, power-ups, but creating those particle effects from scratch eats up days. Cartoon FX 4 Remaster hands you a massive library of vibrant, pre-made effects that look great and run smoothly. It contains over 100 handcrafted effects, each with customizable colors and scale. Fire, ice, lightning, portals, explosions, you name it. They are all optimized for mobile and desktop, so you can drop them into any project without adding lag. The remastered versions include modern shaders and better performance. Each effect is a prefab, ready to attach to any event. Imports cleanly and works with all render pipelines. You can literally place an explosion prefab into your scene and it looks professional instantly. Another perfect 5-star average from over 220 reviews. Users rave about the variety and quality. Many say it is the only FX pack they need for the entire game. The effects are cartoon-styled, so they may not fit realistic or sci-fi aesthetics. If you need that, you can adjust colors and add post-processing, but the base style is distinctly whimsical. Only $15, down from $30. That works out to 12 cents per prop effect. For the amount of juice this adds to your game, it is one of the best deals on the store. Grab it before the price resets. Ever wish you could just see your game full screen inside the editor without the toolbar, panels, and tabs cluttering the view? Fullscreen Editor does exactly that. One hotkey and you are in distraction-free mode. It goes beyond simple full screen. You can toggle any interface element, keep the hierarchy visible, hide the toolbar, or go completely clean. It supports multiple monitors, so you can have the game view full on one screen while editing on another. Setup is instant. Install, set your hotkey, and you are done. It works with any updated Unity version and respects your layout. The productivity boost is immediate. Less time fiddling with window modes, more time actually building. A stellar 4.7-star average from over 220 reviews. Users love how much it improves their workflow, calling it a must-have for any serious developer. Many say they cannot go back to the default editor view. On Mac with certain display configurations, the full screen may leave a thin bar at the top. The developer has noted it, and the workaround is to use the Maximize to Monitor option instead, which works flawlessly. Only $10, half of its $20 price tag. For a tool that saves you countless seconds every session, the developer support value alone is worth it. A no-brainer upgrade for any Unity developer. "2D character animation can be tedious, slicing sprites, rigging bones, setting up blends. AnyPortrait makes it a visual, intuitive process inside Unity, so you can rig and animate your characters without leaving the editor. It supports both bone-based and mesh-based deformation. You can import any sprite sheet, automatically slice it, and then rig with bones that deform the mesh naturally. The timeline editor lets you create smooth animations with ease. What really stands out is the workflow speed. You can go from a flat sprite sheet to a fully animated character in under an hour. It includes IK, root motion, and even sprite swapping, perfect for creating expressive characters quickly. A perfect 5-star average from 84 reviews. Early adopters are thrilled. They emphasize how much faster it is than traditional 2D animation tools, and the support is responsive. It works only with Unity's built-in 2D system. If you are using a custom rendering pipeline, you may need to adapt the output. The developer provides a migration guide, but it's worth verifying compatibility first. At $24.50, half off its regular $49 price. For an animation tool this powerful, that is an absolute bargain. If you are making a 2D game, treat your characters to professional animation today. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.